here we go.
This is the easiest way to Lishi lockpick.
This is the easy way. Spring action, number 4. Spring action on that pin. Those are both picked, number 3. Spring action on number 3. Number 2. Spring action on 2. Number 1. Nothing on 1, go back to 3. Spring action on 3. Number 4, got spring action on 5. Number 3, let's see which one is. Number 2 has spring action. Number 1. See, I pushed them down all just slightly, and now this should be our winner. There we go. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like these SC beautiful Lishi picks coming your way in the future. Yeah! So there we have it, guys. So easy to pick with these Lishi picks as long as you turn the tension bar. We'll just go through it one more time. The tension bar the opposite way. They come shipped with this tension bar in the wrong direction. You have an Allen wrench. You're going to loosen up that little set screw and you're going to take it off. You're going to flip it around. But you know, if you do it, let's say I put it in this direction, you got to make sure this curved part is facing the other way. So it'd be like this. So I'm going to put it over here again. And close your tension rod there and then tighten it up. Don't over tighten, just tighten it enough. And that baby's ready to rock. So every pick you have in the Lishi world, take them right out of the box and change the tension arm from the wrong side, which would be on this gauge side, to the opposite direction. That way you can use your index finger for tension and your thumb for pushing up. Really, it's preferred using your index finger. So there you have it, guys.